Hello and thanks for checking out TheChartGuys.com. We're proud to be one of the most successful technical analysis communities online, teaching you the skills to become a more confident, effective, and informed trader. Join our community of hundreds of analysts worldwide working together to learn the charts, generate profit, and achieve financial independence. For access to daily live chart analysis and market coverage, a thriving chat community, along with dozens of hours of exclusive educational materials. We look forward to seeing you. Let's check out some charts.
Hey guys, it's James with the Chart Guys. It is Monday, August 27th. Going to do my nightly video or daily video on gold. I'm having to do it a little bit early because I have some nephew and nieces staying with me, and they want me to get them out of the house, and they're driving me crazy. So anyways, so looking at the daily here, we're breaking support here of 94.934. The next daily support to be watching for is going to be here at 94.164. Looking at the weekly on the US dollar, we are losing the 8 EMA to start the week here, which was at 95.06 for the first time since being above it on 4/16 back in April 16th week. The US dollar has been riding the wave here of that 8 above that 8 EMA and has held all the back tests, but beginning the week now with a loss of that 8 EMA, and the next support I'm looking for on the weekly is down here at 94.084 and lines up pretty closely with that weekly 20 EMA currently, which is at 94.079. So we'll be watching for, if we get oversold on some of the time frames, like whether it's the 4-hour, the hourly, or the daily, look for a potential short-term bounce. But looking at this daily here, it is a potential for me, a potential head and shoulders. So we have the left shoulder here, we have this big head, then we have the right shoulder here, which is breaking bearish of the neckline. So something to keep in mind. And then looking at the gold chart, looking at this daily gold chart, a couple things I'm noticing here. First thing is we've regained the 20 MA. We regained it last week on last Friday. And that's the first time regaining the 20 MA since losing it over 2 months ago on 6/15 on this candle here. And so we do have the 20 MA here, gain on Friday. We have the high of this bounce attempt here at 1208.40. We had a pullback, and compare the pullback volume to the bounce volume here and gaining that 20 MA and setting a higher high on the daily, which was increasing bull volume there. Nice strong close on the daily. And so ideally we want to stay above this 20 MA, but on any pullback, if we do lose that 20 MA, must hold support is going to be at 1189.50. So that's what we'll be watching for. Looking at GDXJ, again, GDXJ monthly chart, that equilibrium pattern we were watching for did break bearish. So what I'll be watching for is a bounce for a entry for a bear play, but definitely bulls in control at this point on the GDXJ bounce play. As long as the hourly here can hold this pattern for me, the hourly here. So we had this bounce attempt, then we had a big drop. But then again, look at this bounce attempt, how long it took, and then look at this bounce attempt recently, how strong it was. And so this is definitely recognizable here. So as long as we can continue to hold the higher low, higher high pattern, so must hold support on any pullback here is going to be 2820 on GDXJ. So as long as we hold about 2820 for me, it'll be a healthy pullback. Looking at gold, shorter term time frame hourly, we had a clear trend of lower highs, and lower lows, and broke that pattern bullish here. We were having some healthy consolidation here, and so we could be in another pattern situation like this. This is going a little bit long for it to be a bull flag now. I was thinking it could be a potential bull flag intraday during the trading hours, but this is a little bit long for me now to consider this a bull play. Looking at the 4-hour on gold, 4-hour on gold, this was as long as longer term trend, we broke this to a higher high here by breaking 1215.40. So as long as we hold to a higher low here on this pullback above 1209.30, for me that will continue to be a bull pattern for me on this gold 4-hour chart as well, and hourly as it consolidates on healthy healthy consolidation after being overbought and over 70. So that's it for gold. Have a good night, and I'll see you tomorrow.